Hello everyone, this is a Borg's M8 Bluetooth speaker that won't turn on. When charging, the charging light flashes, most likely the battery is broken. We disassembled it and replaced the battery. For this mesh cover, just pry it open from the edge, then unscrew the 8 screws. Now it finally turned on. The battery is right here. Pull out the battery is out. Test whether the battery has power. It only has a little over a volt, so the battery is broken. We just need to replace the battery. We have already replaced the battery. Its capacity is relatively small, only 2000 mAh. Now we plug it in and test to power it on. It turned on and the charging light is also on. Insert a card and test it. It was not sealed properly before. Once sealed properly, it's good. We'll put it back later and that's it. The battery was broken, just replace the battery. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.